Hello everyone, my name is Wenli. I am a Montessori primary trained teacher with over 5 years experiences as a lead guide. I know many parents and teachers struggle with where to start building those foundational reading and writing skills for our 3 to 6 years old, and it can feel overwhelming. So in Montessori, we have a secret material called a 3-part card. It is a simple but powerful material that makes learning language more engaging for the 3 to 6 years old. By the end of this video, you will be able to design your own professional 3-part cards using the free tool Canva. And also you will be able to present them to your child using the Montessori method. And also, most importantly, understand the key principles behind why we present them the way we do. Before we start creating, let's look at a finished example. This is the Montessori 3-part card set. Here is the control card, which combines the picture and the label. The child uses this for self-correction. This is the picture card, which isolates the picture. And this is the label card, which isolates the vocabulary. As you can see, I've printed them on cardstock and laminated them. This makes them durable enough for daily classroom use and allows them to last for longer time. Now let's start making the 3-part cards on Canva. This is the Canva logo. You can start your project by clicking Create a Design. Canva can be used to design presentations, websites, whiteboard, and more. For 3-part cards, I'll just use the A4 size as it's standard and easier to print. You can type A4 in the search box. The first step is to create a frame. This will help us ensure all our cards are the same size. You can find frames in the element section. There are many styles, but for this purpose, we will just use a basic one because we want the students to focus on the vocabulary and the picture, not distracting designs. Now let's adjust the frame size. Since this material is designed for 3 to 6 years old, the picture and the vocabulary need to be large enough to match their visual discrimination skills. I suggest fitting 2 sets of 3-part cards on each page. Once you have the right size, duplicate the frame so all of your cards are consistent. Next, we will separate the picture and vocabulary for part 2 and 3 using a line. You can also find lines in the elements section. Now adjust your line to match your frame style. Now duplicate this entire set of 3 frames. I also highly recommend duplicating the whole page. This way you won't have to rebuild the layout for each new card. You can just replace the picture and vocabulary. Now we're gonna add in pictures and vocabularies. There are so many different ways to add pictures. You can upload your own from your camera roll or files. However, to avoid copyright issues, today I'm making a shaped 3-part cards and using Canva's built-in elements. So as I mentioned earlier, part 1 is the control cards, which will have picture and vocabulary. Part 2 is just the picture, and part 3 is just the vocabulary. I have added my circle picture. Now I need to add the vocabulary. You can change your text font. I know some Montessori schools is still teaching cursive, but for me, I'm gonna just do the print. Now let's adjust your text position. Make sure it's in the center of the page. Alright, the circle's 3-part card is ready. Let's make a few more shapes. You can duplicate the text and drag it down. We'll do the same for the hexagon and the triangle. Duplicate. I'm gonna make one more of the triangle, then we're done. Now that I have finished my shape 3-part cards, it's time to download them. You can select which page you want to download here. I will just download page 2 and 3. For the file type, I suggest PDF print for the best quality. You can save the file and print it. Now that we have made our shape 3-part cards, I want to share with you the 3 key points to remember when presenting them. So the first one is when you show the lesson, you always want to work from left to right and top to bottom. This helps the kids to build foundational skills for reading and writing. The second is the 3-period lesson. This is the standard method for introducing new vocabulary, from input to recognition, then output. The first period is naming. You see, this is a circle. The second is recognition and association. You ask, where is the circle? The third period is for recall. You point and ask, what is this? Finally is to remember useless language. Remember your actions should speak louder than your words. We want the children's focus to be entirely on the target vocabulary. Now let me show you what this presentation looks like in practice. Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the shape 3-part cards. Hexagon, circle, square, triangle. This is hexagon. This is circle. This is square. This is triangle. Can you show me where is circle? Can you show me where is triangle? Can you show me where is hexagon? Can you show me where is square? Can you tell me what is this? 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 Thanks for joining the Shape 3-part cards lesson. So let's review what we learned today. The first is using the free tool Canva to design your own 3-part cards. And also I explained to you the principle behind the presentation and why we need to present in that way. And also we learned how to use those 3-part cards and how to present to your students. I wish you all the best creating your own 3-part card material and presenting them to your student or your children.